Good morning, children. Today I welcome you once again to your practice book. The topic which we have to discuss is determiners. Determiners is a term which is already well known to you all. Still, since I have to take up this chapter, I want to remind you again the important parts of determiners, and even I want to define it what a determiner is. Children, determiners are the words which determine the noun or nouns. Determiner is called a fixing word. Determiner is used before a noun. Determiners are very important in English language and literature because they specify the noun which they refer to. Determiners have their different names, or it can be stated that there are at least 5-6 kinds of determiners. For example, the first one is articles, second demonstratives, the third possessives, the fourth quantifiers, fifth ordinals, sixth cardinals. Somewhere some people consider that adjective is also a kind of determiner, but here some people have some controversy also. That's why instead of entering into any controversy, let us consider that the above mentioned kinds of determiners are pure determiners, and if something more is added to it, that considered to be situational determiners. Now let us see how the determiners are used in sentences, or how the determiners are expected to be filled up in your worksheets. Look at the chapter 3 determiners, worksheet 1. A. House is big or small do not matter. What matters is how happy you are in them. Read the following poem on Raju's experience in houses, big and small. Discuss with your partner which house you would have liked to live in. Now look at Raju's home. Raju has a house on the Mall. This house is very small, but its garden is very nice. This garden is like paradise. It has many flower beds in shades of blues and pinks and reds. These flowers with sweet and smiling face make Raju's house an attractive place. Raju had a house on ridge. That house was very big, but there was no flower nor toy. That house had little joy. Though Raju had many a friend, much time with him they did not spend. There were many, but not a good pal. He needed friends big and small. So Raju told that house on the ridge away to live in this house lovely and gay. Here you are able to look at this, that, these, those, a, an, the, etc. are used, and these are called determiners. As I have told you, determiners are words placed before a noun or a noun phrase. Determiners are not adjectives because they do not describe a noun, they determine a noun. So this is what you have to understand as determiners. Now come to worksheet 2. Pair up with your partner from the table given below. Form as many correct and meaningful sentences as you can. You have 2 minutes to write them in your notebook. Students, many sentences can be framed. For example, see, I didn't buy an apple. I didn't buy an ink pen. I didn't buy a hair dryer. I didn't buy a cup of tea. I didn't buy a pet cat. The next ones, he drank a cup of tea. Kavita needs an apple. Kavita needs the most handsome man. Kavita needs an ink pen. Kavita needs a hair dryer. Kavita needs a cup of tea. Kavita needs a pet cat. Kavita needs an electrician. Kavita needs a famous businessman. The next ones, we visited the Rocky Mountains. We visited the most handsome man. We visited a successful lawyer. We visited an electrician. We visited a famous businessman. In this manner, you can frame many sentences. I have already framed some sentences. I am sending these sentences to you in the form of a PDF, but you also try to add the other sentences to it. I expect that you will definitely complete your this homework and you will be successful also. This is what is my expectation. Now let's move to another worksheet. Worksheet 3. Complete the following sets of dialogues by inserting the articles a, an or the. The first one has been done for you. Number 1A. Is there an air conditioner in this room? B. Number S. The air conditioner is on the wall under that window. Second, number A. Did you buy anything? B. S. I bought a hat. In this B number, first blank a hat and at second place a scarf. Now this hat has already been talked, so after this full stop, the hat. In 2 number B, third number, you have to use the, because earlier you have already used a, and when the same thing is repeated next time, then it becomes definite. So definite article has to be used. The hat cost me $10 and the scarf 12. After full stop, the. Third number, there is a fly on his wound. Third B number, let him drive. Now again the fly away, not a fly here, because Earlier in A, you have already used the article A, so now when you have to repeat it next time, then the. Fourth number, for A, Mom, I have finished my letter to Sahil. Do you have a stamp and an envelope? For number B, sure, here is the stamp. There are some envelopes in the drawer of my table. This is how you have to fill these articles in the blanks. It's alright, students. Now I will definitely see you again in my next video, but by the time you must try to remember the kinds. First of all, the definition of a determiner, then its different kinds, and afterwards how to use these different kinds of determiners in sentences. I expect that this much is enough for today. Next day, again, we will discuss the other worksheets. By then, bye.